The $38,485 speeding ticket. Rich never expected a speeding ticket to cost him $38,485 until he was past the point of recovery in his financial asset management nightmare. Rich was in a hurry to buy some groceries before heading home to watch the Yankees game. The 45-mile-an-hour zone suddenly changed to 30. Rich did not. The policeman pulled him over and handed him an $85 ticket. It wasn't a pleasant way to start a Sunday, but at least Rich thought that was that. A few months later, Rich learned that his car insurance payments increased by $75 a month. Now his $85 speeding ticket mushroomed to $985. A hefty price to pay for going just 15 miles over the speed limit. But once again, Rich thought that was that. 6 months later, Rich went to lock in a new home loan. A $750,000 house with a $500,000 mortgage seemed like a conservative ratio. But what Rich didn't know shocked him. The mortgage company not only checked his financials, they also checked his driving record. The speeding ticket cost him 25 basis points on his interest rate, a quarter point. Over 30 years, an extra quarter point on a $500,000 mortgage equates to $37,500. Adding the higher mortgage rate premiums, this seemingly innocuous speeding ticket wound up costing Rich $38,485. This story and many other strategies are recounted in my new book, Wall Street Money Management Secrets, 12 Financial Asset Management Strategies that Professionals Use to Succeed in Declining Stock Markets, which for a limited time, the electronic version is available to download for free at www.thewallstreetebook.com. The book illustrates the compounding effect of innocent mistakes and how to avoid them, including being deceived by market indices, not diversifying, falling victim to the ostrich effect during market declines, and listening to stock market gurus. The book, in simple English, avoids financial jargon and describes strategies that can be instantly implemented by most investors. We live in a financial asset management world whose interconnections are complex and difficult to see. And what you don't know can really hurt you. Tiny fluctuations that seem as innocuous as an $85 speeding ticket can wreak havoc on your investment portfolio. A seemingly small mistake can cost hundreds of thousands of dollars. Today's difficult environment, it is more important than ever to work with a financial asset management team that makes clients aware of what they don't know. Investing in the stock market and working with large financial organizations can feel similar to Rich's experience. You think you're okay until something that you don't know has a severe negative impact on your financial well-being. Take, for instance, the concept of risk management. Most firms and individuals either ignore or don't have the capacity to deploy an effective strategy. The only way to reverse this cycle is to deploy a risk-controlled investment strategy from the onset. Investors must adapt to the changing market environment. And when the stock market cycle turns negative, which it appears to do every 4 years, a risk-controlled strategy allows them to make adjustments and reduce their risk. Many more important strategies are recounted in my book, Wall Street Money Management Secrets, 12 Financial Asset Management Strategies that Professionals Use to Succeed in Declining Stock Markets, which was published by the Wall Street Institute for Stock Market Professionals. Once again, for a limited time, the electronic version is available to download for free at www.thewallstreetebook.com. I look forward to your comments after you read the book. Thank you.